This is the elevator at the Modern Tool Square Apartments in Erie, Pennsylvania. It's an 80s older Otis Series 1. Kind of sketchy elevator, kind of sketchy, but it has the red lights. 3. Turn it up. Passage isn't the label maker. Fan says it's on, but it's not. I guess the fan doesn't work. Well, it's a bit shaky. Here, 3, the entire indicator is burning. 3. There's a weird fire alarm. They put a newer one over an old simplex. Back on 1. Certificate. I don't know what year it's on. There's no permanent number for the 80s. 88 phones, a newer Otis phone now. It's a basic fingerprint Otis elevator. Definitely the most sketchy elevator in the complex. The offices here also have Series 1s from the 80s. Here, I got 1. 2 of them apartments only has this one. How close is that's going to be? It has a weird fire alarm there too.